My name is Casmar. Welcome to another week of Pree Dis. Now, if you want the latest in Jamaica's entertainment and lifestyle, this is the show for you. We're coming to you guys from Manor Park, and trust me, still have the vibes right here for the next half an hour. Now, you want to get entertained, you want to see the sound, you want to see the lights. It's Pree Dis, and it starts right now. Hey yo, Pree Dis. Now, UWI Freshers Fete kick off the vibes recently at UWI Mona Campus in Kingston, Jamaica. Students came out in their numbers, and of course we had performances from Idonia and Ja Vinci. Of course, Pree Dis was in the building to capture all the highlights for you guys. Yo, big up Rex Fred Hall, all the falls. Now, Pree Dis.
Pretty girl does a pose like dummy now. And the jams them a rub them dummy now. Inna the shade it's straight back from me now. Uptown full of funny now. Every night we are going down. Cherry girl, dream weekend coming out. Girl them a say cut the party man. Girl dash it like a butter man. Hero vegan with fatty man. I grade I go show in a man. Me no want see no man a bar with fatty man. Girl inna the club with them a party but them say Mr. Shani man the party dan. Girl them the whole man them straight up. Them no bow the glass them lace up and cup a shot not that bait up. I breeze me a tell you this straight up sir.
When you be a girl, you will get put up the remedy. We want Thailand. Who wants the tailor all day? We just get the remedy. What we do? I mean a pray. Hey, I mean a pray. What I do? Me a pray. When me a pray, I me just get a bit.
Give me some signal. All bad people and shoot them up. Tell them sir, let me ride the most. Rapping in the ears, backing up the beard, rapping up the beard and rappers running up the hand, rapping up the beard. We have been a show, rapping up the beard. There's this thing up there. That's what I know. We're full of song now. People, give me some signal. Jam the boy can't talk to your face and box you. Give me some signal. Tell them sir, just on the board with soft heart and go like that. That's what I know.
Pree Dis in the building, of course. We're at UWI Mona Campus with JMMB James, the Guild CEAC, who is responsible for tonight's event. Now talk to us about the event and what was it like planning this for the freshers?
Really and truly it's my first experience planning on-campus event, but we have to make it fun and provide the experience of what the party life is like in Jamaica to make sure the freshers can come in and kind of acclimatize to what is to be expected in Kingston, with the whole party life in Kingston and all of that.
Of course the party is going great, you know, JMMB James, the CAC did a great job and it's excellent for the freshers. It was nice, it was my first time coming out to UWI Freshers Fete and I had fun. Idonia's performance was off the chain, I loved it. But yeah, I'll definitely come back next year even though I'm not a UWI student.
I think Ja Vinci did a very, very good job and also Idonia, wow, it was great, excellent.
Alright, so what's going on? What's your name and where you're from?
I'm Karib Cable from Kingston.
Alright, so you like the party so far?
Yes, great vibes, great.
Well black, girl them fat, go on bad when you tune them drop. One just chop and bust her head back. When street vibes bust up in her head top. Oh God, party mad. Girl them a say Gaza party bad. Girl dash sweet like a butter bag. Zamunda gone with 41. I agree.
Pree Dis, the Miss Jamaica World Beauty Pageant is set to take place on September 10th. Mark the date and don't forget it. And of course, the 20 finalists that recently toured the Wisynco office, which also led into the Ocean Spray facility that toured the entire facility. Big up to Ocean Spray, big up to the girls. Now, of course, we're going to ask them questions like, because we caught up with them, you know, so we're going to ask them stuff like which Ocean Spray juice is their favorite and why. And amongst the activities they did there also, they did photo shoots, so we want to see that too. Now, Pree Dis, the girls are beautiful. You want to check it out now? Let me see. I like the girls. You're going to like them. I wonder which one of them are going to say the white cranberry juice are them favorite. I have the white cranberry strawberry right here. Let's hear from the girls. Pree Dis.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you.
girls are right now, they're about to get into their Ocean Spray Challenge, so it's been exciting. I've been teaching them a little bit about Ocean Spray. They've learned a little bit more about Wisynco, and after their challenge, we're going to head over to the manufacturing facility and they're going to see how Ocean Spray water gets bottled.
How have they been receptive to the message so far?
They've been very interactive. They participated in the presentation. They had a lot of right answers, so I'm pretty sure that when it comes to the interviewing, I think they're ready.
Based on the activities that you've done this year, being a sponsor of Miss Jamaica World, do you plan to come back as a sponsor next year? I mean, how has the synergy been going?
Well, it's been really great. I mean, just watching the girls develop for the last couple of weeks and all the different activities that they're doing, they're definitely growing. And I think this year also you can see that the Miss Jamaica World pageant has also grown.
Hello Jamaica, I'm Shabba Gordon and I'm sponsored by Appleton Jamaica Road. Okay, we're here at Wisynco and we have a Ocean Spray Challenge. My challenge was basically to illustrate a fake smile. I must tell you, I'm not very good at doing the fake smile. My smiles are very much real, but I tried my best. So here's an example of a fake smile.
Hi, my name is Holandas Miles, Miss Club Privilege, and I got surprised.
Hi everyone, my name is Lian Chung, Miss Venus Embrace, and I got the facial expression to be devious. So it was a little challenging because, you know, devious is, you know, a little thinking of bad mind, kind of sexy, a little angry, kind of up to something mischievous. I did something like
Hi Jamaica, I'm Joella Brumfield, and I proudly wear the sash, Miss French Connection. I got goofy, and I was like, oh sorry, goofy, I was like this.
Hello Jamaica, my name is Gabrielle Blackwood and I represent Kirov Premium Vodka, and I got the facial expression of laughing. So I thought of myself snorting and this is what I came up with.
My favorite flavor is, well, between peach and cran grape. Why? I don't know. Well, I like grape juice a lot, and then the peach just has this really nice crisp, fun taste that I like.
The white cranberry strawberry. Why? Because actually it's light and then it's just like it doesn't have a tangy feeling to it, and then it doesn't stain my teeth like grape does.
My favorite flavor? I like to be original, so I think my favorite flavor is the original cranberry, the red one. Yes, I like that flavor. I think it's very cranberry, tastes cranberry to me.
I think my favorite flavor would have to be apple, because it's, I don't know, I just always loved apple juice, and I feel like that's just definitely my favorite flavor.
My favorite flavor is the cran grape, because I love grape juice generally, so just a mixture with cranberry makes it even more perfect.
Hi Jamaica, I am Roxanne Elliott and I am Miss Ocean Spray Water. Now I got the facial expression sour. Now this was my take on sour. And this one.
Hi Jamaica, my name is Zara McGraham and I'm proudly sponsored by Usain Bolt's Tracks and Records. My favorite Ocean Spray flavor would have to be cran grape, because the flavor is so rich and I find it very refreshing.
Honestly, I like the cran grape. I just think it tastes the best. It's really sweet, and I don't really like cranberry by itself. It's a little bit too bitter, but I love cran grape.
Which is my favorite flavor? That would be strawberry. It's the newest flavor on the market, but I find that I have a strong affinity for it. It's very refreshing.
Hey, so in Manor Park, I'm in full black. The sun is hot and I have to grab for my water to cool me down now. Pree Dis Sports. Right now it's all about the Business House Netball competition. And we have it right here on Pree Dis Sports. So remember, this segment is brought to you by Sport Water. Check it out.
Slack up, try and play the role and you're the whole crew will act up. Get up, stand up, come on, throw your hands
It's time now for our first commercial break, and we have so much more coming up. Stay tuned.